Welcome to another edition of the Story Behind the Car. We're at Cars and Cones, and I think this is a 1953 Chevy Bel Air Sport Coupe. Just look at the detail. Just such a cool car. Unfortunately, the owner's not around, but I just had to shoot this. It's such a beautiful car. So it's got skirts, you can see the wide whites, but just look at all the chrome around the gas cap, that rear bumper. Holy cow, the exhaust tip. Just a cool car. I think it's a 53. It may be a 54. I think this body style came out in 1950, but I think this is a 53 based upon some of the trim. Just look at all that chrome, and then you got the sun visor for the front windshield. This car is really nice, really dressed out nicely. Beautiful lines. I've got a friend that he's wanted a 54 for years and years. Look at all the chrome on that bumper, the bumper red. Just really cool car. Eyebrows over the headlights, and then that beautiful hood ornament. Looks like an eagle. So anyway, wanted to shoot this car just because it's such a cool car, and unfortunately the owner wasn't around, but I just had to capture the video. And do you guys know what that is right there? Leave a comment in the bottom if in the comments below. Hot rodders know what it is. Thanks again for watching. Any comments, questions, leave below. Give the answer to what you see on the dash. And if you know if this is a 53 or a 54, leave it below.